How to enable your microphone in Google Chrome. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step process. So let's start. First, open your Chrome browser. Then at the top right corner, you will see the three dot option. Just click on it. Then at the bottom, you will find the setting option. Just click on settings. Then at the top you'll find the search bar. Just type microphone on the search bar. Then you will see the site setting option. Just click on it. Then you will find the microphone under permission option. Just click on microphone. Here you see the default behavior. Under default behavior, just enable the site can ask to use your microphone option. Just select it. You can also select the microphone you want to use from this list. So I'll keep the microphone, and that's how you can enable microphone on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.